Namaste students. Hope you all stay safe in home. I am your EVS teacher. My name is Saranya. We'll continue the lesson year to year. Okay children. Second lesson. In which list did you put the cow and buffalo? Answer. Animal with hair on their body and whose ears can be seen. So, in that list, we can put cow and buffalo. From a distance, can you see the hair on their skin? Their hair cannot be seen from the distance. We can't see the hairs right in the distance. Try to go near on one of them. Could you see the hair? After going near them, hair on their body can be seen. Next, if you were to meet an elephant, would you dare to touch it? Do you know that an elephant also has hair on its skin? You will go near the elephant. In some of the temples, elephant will be there, right? You will go near them. Some of them will fear to go near. So, even elephants also have some hair. This one you have to write it in your classwork. Okay, children? These questions, copy it in your classwork. Next, can you tell which of the animals mentioned in the list lay eggs? Find out and write the names of these animals in the green box. So, in which of the animals in the list give birth to babies, write their names in the red box. So, we have to write the names which give birth to babies. That one we have to write it in a red box. And which of the animals will lay egg, we have to write it in a green box. We'll see the answers. Deer, elephant, buffalo, pig, cat, and giraffe will give birth to young ones. Meanwhile, frog, fish, ant, crow, snake, lizard, duck, sparrow, and all lay eggs. Okay, children, this one copy it in your classwork note. Next, now, look again at the table on the top previous page. Draw a line under the names of the animals whose names are in the green box. Put a circle around the names of those animals whose names are in the red box. So, in the table, mark the answers, round, do like this, which and all we have to round and which and all we have to underline. This one also do it in your classwork itself. Okay, children. Next, so what did you note from finishing the circle and underline? What did you note from the table? Those animals whose ears we can see have hair on their body. These animals give birth to the young ones. So all the animals who have hair and we can see the ears, they will give young ones birth. Those animals that do not have ears on the outside, do not have hair on their body, these animals lay eggs. Right? We underline and circle like that. We can observe from the table. So, have you seen animals around your house or school that have small babies? Write their names in your notebook. What and all we can see near our house, like dog puppies, pig, cat, rat, etc. We can see them, right? So, these questions also you have to copy it in your classwork note. Next, have you ever kept a pet? Do you have any pet? Does anyone you know have pet? Otherwise, your friends or relatives have pet. Find out more about the pet now. Which animal it is? You have to write which animal it is. Does it have a name? What is it? Who gave it this name? So, what is the name and what does it like to eat? That and all you have to write by your own. So, this one you have to write it in your homework note. Okay, children? Next, like how many times a day it is given food? How many times we are giving food to them? And when does it sleep? How long does it sleep? Then, is there any special way to look after these animals? How? Like treatment we will give, some injection we want to do, and we have to pamper it. Like that? What and all? We have to do that for that animal. You have to write here. Does it get hungry? When? How do you know it is hungry? If it is getting hungry, how it will be and how it gets hungry. You have to write the reason. This is also you have to copy it in your homework note. Next, does it have hair or feather on the skin? Observe it and write. Can you see its ear? If it is ear is showing means you have to write. Is it a baby or young animal or a full grown animal? Like, right, like, which category it is. Will this pet animal lay eggs or given birth to babies? Does it have young ones? Draw a picture of these animals and color it. Give it a name on your own choice. If it is a dog or cat, draw whatever you know how to draw a dog. Like that, you have to draw in down. Okay, children. This one also you have to copy it in your homework note. Next, look at this picture. Color the parts which have even numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8. You know what is even numbers, right? Color only the even numbers. What do you see? After coloring the even numbers, observe what you seeing and find out the name of the animal. This one, do it in your textbook itself and write the name of that. Okay, childrens. Next, many years ago, there were dinosaurs on Earth. You know dinosaurs, right? You will heard about that. But not anymore. So now it is not there. Now we see them in films, photos, and books. Find out more about dinosaurs and share with your friends. Okay. Have you seen any animal that looks like little like dinosaur? Do you know its name? Find out from your elders. So we can observe that. Yes, I have seen an animal that looks like a dinosaur. Its name is a lizard. If we observe lizard, it is slightly looking like dinosaurs. Some variety of dinosaur it is looking like. Yes, right. Copy this question in your classwork note. Answer also. Look at these animals. Write its name. Do you know that this is our national animal? Which is our national animal? Tiger. Its name is tiger. Yes, I know this is our national animal. Where does it live? They live in the wild forest, grasslands, etc. The number of these animals are going down in India. Discuss why this could be happening. The number of tigers going down in India because of several cases. Some of the cases are given here. People hunt them for their bones and skins. You heard about some of the peoples are killing tiger for their skin and for their bones. Deforestation because of deforestation, forests are disappearing, which reduce their natural habitat. Some of the places some people will destroy the forest area and they build buildings. So in this case, tigers will the number of tigers will reduce. This one you have to copy it in your classwork. Do this activity. Okay, children, see the picture here and make your own bird. Do this activity in your home. Okay, children, we'll stop here. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe.